Well, I share our president's conviction that there is a strong likelihood of a Russian invasion. They've amassed an enormous force that they have drawn from all over Russia. They have developed detailed plans for false flag operations to serve as a pretext to mislead the world about who is the source of aggression. And Ukraine poses no military threat to Russia. So why undertake those actions? With what goal in mind? And nonetheless, until Putin gives the decision, we continue to urge diplomacy. We hope that there is a way to provide an off-ramp for the Kremlin. But it will be up to Putin to take it. But I do believe that the intelligence supports the president's conclusion and his conviction about Putin's intentions. I hope that we can find another path through diplomacy.